Okay, so if you followed the Harrier CBHQ, this is one the customer bought via eBay, no doubt in working order, but it had turned out it had been 80 channeled, which of course is illegal. That had killed the phase lock loop chip, and then we discovered that the driver transistor was actually an output transistor and they put it in backwards. And this is these loft finds. I mean, they're in a loft for a reason, aren't they? So we put the driver transistor out, actually out of a scrap Maxcom to keep his costs down, and then we changed the pre-driver transistor because it was low gain, having been damaged by the wrong driver transistor. The reason the lid's off is we're waiting for a capacitor to come for the power supply. The other two have been changed, which I felt needed changing. Then of course we've had to rewire the channel 9 switch, and the faff with that is that I've got to dig out another Harrier CBHQ and copy the wiring. These people should be sentenced to put these back together for free when they've done these illegal mods. Then we found the phase lock loops reference crystal, the 10.24 meg crystal, was out of tolerance, so we've changed one. Again, pulled that off a scrap chassis. So keeping the cost down, but it did have to have a new LC7137 and they're not cheap. So hopefully Mr. Chippie is out there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie. Roger, we are recording and we're on this Harrier.
Yep, roger that. Well, I'm just coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane. So it's doing the full 4 watts and everything's now working as it should, including the restoration of the channel 9 switch. Roger got you passing the service station.
Roger. Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill and go down in towards Wilson.
Roger got you at the top of the hill and your mobile phone's causing interference. Perhaps he's playing Space Invaders whilst he's driving. Roger got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Harrier CBHQ base station and he's doing a full 4 watts.
Yep, roger that.
Tango 21, checking you're still there.
Yes, roger that. Very stupid to me. Lost some concentration. Anyway, we're past the level crossing.
Roger, you sound like you're about at Kelby.
Yeah, not far off.
What's he like? What's he dreaming of?
One of them WPS moments, I'm afraid.
Is it your age? The answer to that thing is he's about 8 years younger.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn.
Roger got you at the Kelby turn.
Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger got you at the Grayleys turn. Now that's our worst one, and that's coming through remarkably well. Roger got you at Rossby Stroke Grayleys level crossing. That concludes the test, thank you.
Yep,
10-10. Right, we'll go over to our Harrier CBHQ base station. Will there be some Doctor Who temporal anomaly if we have the same kind of radio to the same kind of radio? And what we're also going to do is try it with the Palmer power mic that has come with it. It apparently looks like it works. I don't like power mics. It's reminiscent of American AM systems where talk power equals range, whereas all these are speech processed. So you end up just adding well, preamplification, which the radio then knocks back down and adds a bit of muffledness, so it doesn't work for me. Speech processor mics, yes, but not power mics. Right, here goes.
Tango 21, testing the Harrier CBHQ customer base station into our Harrier CBHQ base station on my standard replacement microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I'll plug in the microphone that came with it. Tango 21, testing the Harrier CBHQ